Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using the tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I am back with another video for you guys right now. Sorry I did not been doing no unboxings. I haven't done unboxing in a minute. It's a good reason because I've been doing a lot of stuff. But I got an unboxing coming up tomorrow that you guys really want to watch. It's a mixer and it's going to change the gameplay forever. No longer be using the Go XLR, which is right here. This is my PC panel right here. But I had my eye on a particular item. Every time I wanted to get this thing, I kept changing my mind about it, and I need to get rid of this damn mouse right here. As you can see, I constantly got to keep charging this thing up. It dies on me within a day, then I got to throw it back on a charger, and when I'm gaming it just cuts off. So what did I pick up? Went to Best Buy and I picked this up right there. Had my eye on this thing for a hot minute now. Every time I go into the store I play with it, then I changed my mind because the price just kept going up, but they dropped this down to 50 bucks, so I grabbed it. So everybody know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I know it's not exactly what I'm looking for. I was going to cop the Corsair one. Okay. Because I got a Best Buy credit card, I have 2 months to actually return this back if I don't like it. So I can rock with this for 2 months, then return it back. That's the good thing. So let's see. I don't want to rip the packaging. Y'all know how I am with my packaging. Oh, this thing is in here tight, so I might have to rip this thing. Can I go? You know what? Let's take it from the bottom. I want to get it from the bottom. Okay. Because I'm not trying to rip that box. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So we go right there. Get that. Get the mouse, the dongle. This is kind of like the reason why I really didn't want to get it, because I don't like dongle type mice because of Bluetooth. And I think this does have Bluetooth. So you got this, Bluetooth, and wireless. Okay. So yeah. Get the cord, which I'm not going to use this cord because I got a cord that I use for the Steel series, and I'm just going to rock with that. It's not even that long. So yeah. This is the mouse right here. It was light. Do like I scratched on my hand and stuff right here. It's light. I'm gonna peel off the skates and stuff right here. So yeah, I'm gonna rock with it a few, download the program, see how it is. It's tight and big though, but we're gonna see how this is. It's slick too. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Peace.